This is video H4. It's going to help you with subtracting mixed numbers when you have to change one denominator, and it's also going to help you when I'm doing a whole number minus a mixed number. Today, please make sure you watch like over half the video because the second part is a totally different kind of problem. So here we go. First problem is 7 minus 2 3/4. The easiest way to do these are pictures. I'm starting with 7. So I'm just going to draw 7 pies, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I need to take away 2 3/4. So I'm going to get rid of 2 whole ones. And then I need to get rid of 3/4 of one. So I'm going to cut this into fourths, shade in 3. Notice the purple, the shaded part, that's what we got rid of. So now all I have to do is count the white part. That's what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whole ones, and the fraction is 1 out of 4. So it equals 4 1/4. Try another one, starting with 10 pies. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to get rid of 8 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other one's going to be cut in fifths. That's the one that kind of looks like the starfish. And I need to shade in 2. Okay, what's left? 1 whole one, and 1, 2, 3, 3/5. Here's one for you to try out. This may be a little bit tricky because it's got the sevenths. So what I might do is draw them as rectangles. Go to brownie pans. 4, 5, 6, 7. And you go, why are you doing brownie pans instead of pies this time? You'll see. So if I got 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 2 more. 8, 9. So I'm shading in 3. Since this is cutting into sevenths, it's hard to cut circles into sevenths, but it's not too bad to cut rectangles into sevenths. 4, 5, 6. So there's 7 of them. Shading in 1, 2, 3, 4. What's left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole ones, and 1, 2, 3 out of 7. 5 3/7. So if you get something that has a weird number here that you don't like to divide using pi, then just make them into rectangle shapes. Try it out. 4 of them, taking away 3. Cut this one into 6. Shade in 1/6. What's left? There are no whole ones. I don't have to put a 0. I am going to have a fraction part here though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. So I could end up with a number, instead of it being a mixed number, a whole number, it could be just a fraction. All right, here's the second part for today. I need to change these to improper fractions first. So I know this one's going to be halves and this one's going to be fourths because my denominators don't do diddly. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 gets me to 9. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 gets me to 11. Now I'm at 9 halves minus 11 fourths, and immediately some people should be going, I can't do 9 minus 11. That's right, I can't subtract these yet because I don't have the same denominator. My LCM of 2 and 4 would be 4. So I don't need to change the 11 fourths, it's already in fours. I do need to change this one to get fourths, so 2 times 2. So I'm taking 9 times 2 then equals 18. So now I have 18 fourths minus 11 fourths. Well, that's 7 fourths. And I'm going to divide it out. Goes 1 time with a remainder of 3. So it equals 1 3/4. Try another one just so you can see what's going on. Denominator here is going to be a 9. Denominator here is going to be a 3. We are subtracting. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 gets me to 37. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 gets me to 8. Okay, what do I want to change my denominators to? 3, 6, 9. Let's get it to a 9. So I'm taking it times 3, this one times 3, which will give me 24 ninths. So now my fractions that I'm subtracting are 37 ninths minus 24 ninths, which equals 13 ninths. How many 9s in 13? 1. 1 remainder 4. So it equals 1 4 ninths. Couple for you to try out. fifths. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, minus, this one's going to be 20ths. 20 times 1 is 20, plus 1 more gets me 21 20ths. What do I want my LCM to be? 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to take this one times 4 to get it to 20ths, which means I'm going to take the 17 times 4. 28, carry my 2, 68. 68 20ths minus 21 20ths equals 47 20ths. It looks like the division would be bad, but really it's very easy. There's no 20s in 4. There are two 20s in 47 because that would be 40. The remainder 7, so it just equals 2 and 7 20ths. One more for you to try. Denominator here is going to be 12. Denominator here is going to be a 3. 12 times 3 is 36, plus 1 gets me to 37. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 gets me to 5. I've got 12ths and thirds, 3, 6, 9, 12. I can get to 12ths. So I'm going to take 4 times 3, which means I'm going to take 4 times 5. And I now have 20 12ths over here. So 37 12ths minus 20 12ths equals 17 12ths. When I divide, it's only going to go one time with the remainder of 5, so that equals 1 and 5 twelfths. And hopefully that video will help you with subtracting mixed numbers when I have to change one denominator and when I'm doing a whole number minus a mixed number.